Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. With the growing number of scammers and hackers out there, I thought we should go over some of the effects it has on us. Affiliate marketing and social media platforms have revolutionized the way businesses promote their products and individuals earn income online. With the rise of these digital avenues, scammers have also found new ways to exploit unsuspecting users. In this article, we will explore the detrimental effects scammers have on the world of affiliate marketing and social media, shedding light on the tactics they employ and the consequences they impose on individuals and society. 1. The rise of scammers. Scammers have infiltrated the realm of affiliate marketing and social media, leveraging the trust and reach of these platforms to deceive and defraud innocent users. They often pose as legitimate businesses or influencers, enticing individuals with promises of quick and easy profits, discounted products, or exclusive opportunities. However, their true intention is to exploit people for personal gain, leaving victims with financial losses and shattered trust. 2. Deceptive practices. Scammers employ a wide range of deceptive practices to deceive users within the affiliate marketing and social media space. They may create fake websites, counterfeit social media profiles, or even hack legitimate accounts to gain access to a larger audience. By disguising their intentions and manipulating users' emotions, scammers trick individuals into providing personal information, making payments for non-existent products, or participating in fraudulent schemes. 3. The toll on consumers. Scammers cause significant harm to consumers in the affiliate marketing and social media arena. Victims may face financial losses, credit card fraud, identity theft, and other serious consequences. Additionally, they often experience emotional distress as the realization of being scammed sets in. Moreover, scammers erode trust in the digital marketplace, making it harder for legitimate businesses and influencers to connect with their audience and deliver valuable products or services. 4. Damage to affiliate marketers and influencers. Scammers not only harm consumers but also tarnish the reputation of genuine affiliate marketers and influencers. When scammers operate under the guise of established brands or influential personalities, it can be challenging for the general public to differentiate between legitimate and fraudulent entities. This blurs the lines, making it harder for honest marketers and influencers to build trust and establish long-term relationships with their audience. 5. Impact on social media platforms. Social media platforms bear the responsibility of creating a safe and trustworthy environment for their users. However, scammers pose a significant challenge to these platforms, as they exploit the features and algorithms to reach wider audiences. The presence of scammers on social media platforms can negatively impact user engagement, undermine the effectiveness of advertising campaigns, and ultimately decrease user satisfaction. 6. Combating scammers. Recognizing the gravity of the situation, social media platforms, affiliate networks, and regulatory authorities are taking steps to combat scammers. These efforts include implementing stricter verification processes, enhancing user education about online scams, and developing advanced algorithms to detect and remove fraudulent accounts. Collaboration between platform operators, businesses, and users is vital to stay one step ahead of scammers. In conclusion, the world of affiliate marketing and social media has opened up incredible opportunities for businesses, individuals, and content creators. However, the presence of scammers poses a real threat to these ecosystems. By understanding the tactics employed by scammers and being vigilant, users can protect themselves and contribute to creating a safer digital environment. It is essential for all stakeholders to work together to combat scammers and uphold the integrity of affiliate marketing and social media platforms, ensuring that they continue to serve as valuable tools for genuine engagement and mutual benefit. I hope you enjoyed this and found it helpful. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please check out the links in the description below. See you on the inside.